Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. We're going to go with Whimsical Wednesday. Last night, I prepared creamy Thai red curry with shrimp and jasmine rice. Oh, I added a few things to this recipe that I thought were appropriate. Garlic, ginger, and just a little bit of Thai chili powder. It was really good. Just enough spice. This is a must. Today I'm going to include the red curry recipe, but I'm also going to provide and upload the jasmine rice microwave method. Yeah, it's easy. Trust me. 5 stars on this. Yum, yum, yum. Today, the culinary expedition continues. Yesterday didn't count. I do Thai food all the time. Today, we're going to the Netherlands. Fairly simple dish. I'm not going to attempt the name, the Dutch name, but I will tell you what it means. Sausage rolls. That's what it means. So, like I said, simple dish, but this is a traditional dish from the Netherlands. So let's get to it. Hardware, sheet pan. Other than the bowls and stuff, but the actual cooking hardware is a sheet pan. We're going to start off with about a half pound of hamburger, some kosher salt, black pepper. It calls for onion powder. I'm going to actually use some leftover diced onion I have from the other day. It's garlic day here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. So it's got garlic, onions, some egg, some plain breadcrumbs, some Worcestershire sauce, just a pinch of nutmeg, and puff pastry. That's it. Like I said, it's garlic day. Like I said, simple, but this is a traditional meal or dish from the Netherlands. So that's where we're going today. On this whimsical Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.